If you've been following the news in the past week or so, you would have seen the announcement last week by Investors Group that had said they were offering a 3-year variable rate mortgage with a 1.99% interest rate. And the big brouhaha, of course, was that interest rates haven't really dropped below 2% for a few years. And so this sort of was a signal that, whoa, wait a minute, what's happening in the marketplace if we're seeing mortgages at 1.99%? So I have a couple comments on this, and firstly, I think it's important to note that nothing in life is free. I live my life by this idea that everything is just a chicken trade, and so you have to figure out where the chickens are being traded. And in this case, when you hear that someone has stepped out or a lender has stepped out to offer that kind of an interest rate, you should probably ask yourself, well, is this too good to be true? And I don't. Sometimes it is, sometimes it isn't. In this particular case, Investors Group, pretty big company, they know what they're doing. It's a great marketing strategy for them because it helps them bring new business in the door. So if there were people that were kind of in the right time and place and needed a new mortgage, 1.99% on a 3-year variable might be a good deal for them. But more importantly, the chicken trade there, of course, would be that Investors Group wasn't born yesterday. They've been around for a very long time. And so if they're offering a mortgage at that kind of pricing when the rest of the market can't do that, then they've got to make it up somewhere. And that somewhere might be in the other products or services that they're hoping they can offer that client that comes to the door for a mortgage. And so if that's you and you're going to be looking at that 1.99% mortgage, make sure that you chat with your Investors Group rep and understand kind of what some of the other terms and conditions would be. So I find it interesting because it continues to be part of what we see happening in the market right now, which is banks just are trading business. There aren't a lot of new customers coming to the marketplace. There's certainly not enough new customers coming to the marketplace that banks can continue to increase their profit and their revenue. So what they're doing is they're trading business. And we've seen with Bank of Montreal that they offer a mortgage special every couple of months that's a little bit lower than the rest of the market to try and grab in some business. We saw a few weeks ago that RBC tried the automobile sales strategy of employee pricing to give their employees some encouragement to bring their non-Royal Bank mortgages over to Royal Bank. And so I think all of it just generally speaks to this desperation that banks and lenders have to try and capture new business and market share. I think Investors Group is interesting because they're not really one of the big banks, and they did it for totally different reasons. They really wanted to, I think, work for Investors Group, but I'm assuming that they're looking to try and drive new business to their door, whereas what the other banks tend to do is they just trade business amongst themselves. And so interesting to see Investors Group offering a product and a special like that, and it'll kind of be interesting to follow it in the news and to see how all of it shakes out. As a reminder, I would encourage anyone who's listening that mortgages they can be a little tricky to understand if you're getting the best rate and the best terms. So make sure that you do your homework. Just because you see a bank offering a certain rate and it seems to be better than the other rates that you're offering, you should just take a moment to figure out where the difference is. And the banks are usually pretty good, or the mortgage broker or the mortgage specialist that you're working with, they should be able to tell you, here's what's different about this particular offer, and that's why it's better priced. And then for you, just make an educated decision on whether that works for you.